Stewing the beef, a flavorful journey in English cooking verbs. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a deliciously descriptive phrase, stew the beef. This phrase isn't just about cooking. It's a great example of how English uses specific verbs for different cooking methods. So, let's get cooking with language. Stew the beef is a phrase that involves two key components, stew and beef. Stewing is a method of cooking that involves slowly simmering ingredients, usually in a closed pot, with enough liquid to cover them. It's a technique used to tenderize tougher cuts of meat and to infuse flavors. Key points: stew, a slow cooking method; beef, a type of meat. In English, context is king. The phrase, stew the beef, can be literal, but it can also be metaphorical, implying a need to simmer down or reduce tension in a situation. Understanding the context helps in interpreting the phrase correctly. Key points: literal meaning, actually cooking beef by stewing; metaphorical meaning, advising someone to calm down or reduce tension. English has a rich vocabulary of verbs specifically related to cooking. Just like stew, there are verbs like roast, grill, bake, fry, and boil. Each of these verbs describes a different cooking method, and understanding them helps in comprehending recipes and cooking-related conversations. Key points: diverse cooking verbs, understand different methods of cooking. Language of recipes, enhances understanding of culinary instructions. That's all for today's flavorful journey with Stew the Beef. I hope this video not only made you hungry for a good stew but also enriched your understanding of English cooking verbs. Remember, language learning is like cooking. It gets better with practice and patience. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.